What's the meaning of childish? Childish. Childish.
Childish. Childish. Childish means displaying behavior that is typical of a child, especially in a negative sense. It implies immaturity, pettiness, and a lack of self-control. A childish person is often seen as selfish, attention-seeking, and lacking in empathy for others. They may throw tantrums when things don't go their way, engage in name-calling or bullying, and fail to take responsibility for their actions. Overall, being called childish is usually not seen as a compliment, as it suggests a failure to live up to the expectations of adulthood and responsible behavior.